A very good morning to all of you. I am at East Coast Park, and today is quite a breezy day, and I'm just liking it because it sort of cools you down. So, I want to ask you, how many of you woke up this morning with a lot of excitement, telling yourself that it's going to be a great day today? Well, if you are able to wake up each morning with that attitude, then you are in for a fulfilling and a productive day because you created it in your mind way in advance, and that is what you will get, a good, fulfilling, and a productive day. But what happens when we are faced with emotional situations? For example, dealing with a loss of a friend or a family member or a breakup or some financial situation that we are facing, issues at home, issues at work. Well, everything goes topsy turvy, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. And you don't say, it's a good day anymore, right? Because you're dealing with that. Yeah, some of us come out of it very fast, but for some of us, it's a long road to recovery. Most of us have been in such situations, haven't we all? But if you notice something, somehow, something inside you pulls you through. Some way or the other, you come across, you go through it, and you come out of it beautifully. And when you look back, you tell yourself, oh, did I go through that? So what happened there? It's like there is hope, there is belief, and we cling on to that hope and belief, right? That is, for me, I believe it is the inner strength that we all have. So all I want to say is that to change. All I want to say is that things will get better. It will not always be bad, or it will not be always so cloudy and gloomy, right? So I too have had my shares of ups and downs, and my share of not waking up to a good day. Well, I would like to share some tips that I do for myself to keep me balanced, not only for difficult situations, but also something that I do every day as a routine. So it helps me balance my emotions and my mind. And like I said, we are all human. It's okay to feel down. It's okay to feel excited. That's what makes us who we are. So my thing is that I ask myself three questions. I write it in my journal. The first thing I ask is, what am I being, or what is my possibility? What is my possibility? So if today I feel I need some clarity and some focus, I tell myself I am the possibility of clarity and focus. Or if I feel that I need to be, I want to feel loved and I want to feel compassion, I would create, I am the possibility of togetherness and compassion. Or if I need some calm and peace or fun and joy, I create that. So when I create that, I live that. It goes deep down into my subconscious mind, and that's what I live during the day. It can be anything each day. It depends on what you feel. Then the second question I ask is that, what am I learning today? So every situation is a learning curve. I always say that because of hard situations push you to do something extraordinary for you to come out. If you're not in the situation, you will never know, right? So it's like a learning curve. Things can go well, may not go the way that you want to be, but in flow we call it the observer mind. So we observe like a third person. So you step out and you look at the situation and ask yourself, what is the lesson to be learned here? Yeah. So there is no bad situation because that is a takeaway, and you become better at handling any situation. Then the third thing that I ask myself is, what am I creating? So here I create affirmations. All the affirmations that I write are in present tense. So it's more like, um, I am happy, I am focused, I am clarity, I am hope, I am beautiful. So I create this affirmation and I read it every day. And every day I write. It can be the same thing, it can be some new things probably. But when I read it, I feel from within, I feel settled. I feel that yes, this is who I am. But what the outside world is throwing things at me, that is something different. But this is who I am. So do not deviate from who you are. So when you write these affirmations and these three questions, that is, I'll repeat once again, what is my possibility? What am I learning today? And what am I creating today? So this gives you, takes you really deep down into your inner world. And that's who you are, like I said. Don't let the dark clouds, shadow over you. Do not lose hope. You must believe and make every day in your inner world a great day. And so, with that, create a happy day every day. Have a great day ahead and a great week ahead. See you all next week.